Hello everyone, on this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can upload an image or a GIF different than the one that are already on Class Dojo. So you can go and search, let's say, Minecraft, an image that kids love, save it. You can also choose the option as a GIF, and it's basically a moving image. Let's say this one here, this one, this looks nice. Okay, save it, then go to Class Dojo, choose options, edit class, choose the student you want to change the image, say John, click the avatar, and then you can either create a new set, or from the sets that you already created you can upload the image of the GIF there. Let's say I will create a new set, call it maybe GIF monsters. Create monster sets, you add, so I have one GIF here, I have one that I've downloaded before, so I have two GIFs here. Save the set, wait a little, and here it is, GIF monsters. You can change it, and the kids love this. So here John has a Labubu, an image that's a moving image. So far you cannot upload videos, the best you can do is this moving image. Thank you for watching.